The Man Who Can by Edgar A. Guest. Can is the worst word that's written or spoken, doing more harm here than slander and lies. On its many, a strong spirit broken, and with it many, a good purpose dies. It springs from the lips of the thoughtless each morning, and robs us of courage we need through the day. It rings in our ears like a kindly sent warning, and laughs when we falter and fall by the way. Can is the father of rebel endeavor, the parent of terror and half-hearted work. It weakens the effort of artisans clever, and makes of the toiler an indolent shriek. It poisons the soul of the man with a vision, stifles in fancy many a plan. It treats honest toiling with open derision, and mocks at the hopes and the dreams of a man. Can is the word that should speak without blushing. To utter it should be a symbol of shame. Ambition and courage it daily is crushing. It guides a man's purpose and shortens his aim. Despite it with all of your hatred of error, refuse it the lodgment it seeks in your reign. Arm against it as a creature of terror, and all that you dream of someday shall gain. Can is the word of hope to submission. An enemy ambush to shatter your ribs. His prey is forever the man with a mission, and bows but to courage and patience and skill. Hate it, with hatred that's deep and undying, for once it is welcome to break any man. Whatever the goal you are seeking, keep trying and answer this demon by saying, I can.